Alright, so if you're like me and your USB port falls through, yeah, it's the USB. So your USB falls through, you're gonna have to get this off. It's not a hard task. It's very time consuming, a lot of moving pieces. One thing I'm gonna suggest is get plenty of light. That would definitely help you out a lot. And really the first thing you're gonna have to do is pull your e-brake up, and then, now of course I've already done all this. I got most of it done, then I stopped and thought to myself, well, I guess I better bring you guys along for the ride. So pull that up, get that out of the way. That'll be free. And then once you raise this, right here is going to be a Phillips head screw. Can't really see it, but there you go. It's going to be a Phillips head screw. You take that out, and then once you get that up, you're going to remove this column right here, which is just as easy as taking a flathead and prying it underneath here. Well, you could pull up from the bottom, but so you don't scratch up the plastic. Boop. You pop that up. You can get this out of here somehow. There we go. Because it slides up. So you just gotta, once you get these back clips out, and doing it two-handed obviously would be very helpful. Alright, so there's that. And then you're going to want to come down here. You're going to have to take off this panel, which is a Phillips right here, and then a Phillips back here. So once you get that, this is just held on by push-in tabs that go this way. So just pull straight out, like so. And that comes off. And I guess you can remove this, but actually, which is held on. Little push-in tab on that side. Just swing it out of the way, because you're going to have a Phillips screw right here, and you're going to have one right here. Get those out, and it's just a push tab back there. You can tell right there. See, there's one right there on the bottom, and you got one back here. So you can pull this off, and you can pull this out, and that'll give you complete access to the back portion of your USB plug. It's about as far as I got so far. Again, doing this one-handed, extremely hard, but yeah, see, it gives you access to all that. I'll push the USB back through, and that's how it's held in there. I'll just show you real quick, 1 second. Okay, so once you get your hand back there and you get the plug, you'll just line it up with the hole. Get it set how you want it to be set. It'll be, you can get it in there kind of level as possible. And then you'll take the door, and that'll actually clip there on both sides. Alright, so here's what I wanted to show you guys. So I can pull it out. There's, see that little groove right there? So once you find that slot, push it in, and it'll lock. There you go. See, it'll lock into place, and that's when you can add your trap door. So yeah, anyways, that's how you get back to this USB port. And obviously, you would probably imagine it's the same size if you want to get to the 12-volt outlet. And those are just held in by two little pinch clips in the back.